Alright, tonight I'm going to show you how to make corn for trout fishing and or kokanee. Alright, Maxers, you got to get down for a second, buddy. It's really simple. What you want is white shoe peg corn. Shoe peg is a little smaller kernel and it's a little more aerodynamic and it's a little tougher when it comes to staying on the hook. I'm going to make two different kinds today. First, we're going to kind of dry it out on a paper towel. There's not that much liquid in the shoe peg corn. It's pretty dry. That's the top part anyway. Maxer, what are you doing? Go ahead and dump that in to a jar. That's enough. Get the second batch ready to go. Max, you're bugging me, dude. I don't even think you like corn, do you? Alright, so you get the excess moisture off with the paper towel. We're going to make two different kinds. One is tuna garlic. This is regular chunk light tuna in oil. I like the oil as opposed to the in water kind because I don't know, I think the oil sticks to it a little bit better. So we're just going to squeeze the oil right there. Oh, that's a good chunk of oil right there. Make it real oily. And a little bit of sea salt, not iodized, just sea salt. Max, you're bugging me, dude. Little salt. Actually, salt will go into both. It'll help toughen it up, dry some of the juices out of there. All right, Max, chill. You don't like corn. Okay, so right now we got these two. This is gonna be, I like this kind of garlic. You can use granulated garlic if you like, but again, I want the oily water or whatever that comes out of this. So a big chunk of garlic. I don't know why, but fish like that sort of thing. Stir it up. Pop it in the fridge. We're ready to go in the morning. That's it. That one's tuna and garlic. Put a lid on there. There's one. Alright, this one's going to be sugar. This is plain white sugar. For the fish out there that have a little sweet tooth. Plain white sugar. And we have some anise extract. Super strong. And we need a little bit of this. I don't know if you can see that. It's pure anise extract. But a little shot of that. That's the, if for you don't know, that's the black licorice kind of flavor. So just a few drops of that. Stir it up. So there we go. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. So that one is, ooh, you can really smell that anise juice too. Juice. Oh, and then I've seen people ask, how do you hook it on your hook? So I'll show you. It really doesn't matter, but I'll show you a couple different ways. Okay, I baited a couple hooks for you guys so you can see. You can do it with one on the middle, one on the tip. You can stack them. You can go end to end. You can go broadside. It really doesn't matter. These hooks are a little bit bigger than you're probably going to use, but it doesn't seem to matter. Because with this same exact corn, I had a day like this recently. You can too. So there you go. That's how you make corn for trout and kokanee. Happy fishing.